Hello, Sandrine Deschaux here. Welcome to 12 Fayette Street in Cambridge. Come on in. This beautiful property is developed by ZRE Development. It's above and beyond any expectations. Take a look. This 1873 Mansard Victorian was completely reconstructed while preserving its historic grandeur. It is layered with modern luxury design by Amy Lynn Interiors. You will find striking elements of design throughout the house with entertainment-sized living space as well as restorative and intimate spaces. Welcome in. I'm Sandrine Deschaux. For a private tour, give us a call. Thanks for watching.